Hello, my dear student. Let's start with part 2 of chapter number 1, large number around us. Bachcho, we have already covered part 1. You can check the link in the description box. Okay? Or I will put the link here only. Okay? You can check. You can click the icon button. Then you will get the link for the part 1. And we are one by one, we will cover all the chapters of maths and science. Okay, please do subscribe the channel for the latest update. Okay, let's start with the chapter. We are covering chapter number 1, large number around us. Okay, let's start. Reading and writing numbers. Numbers को कैसे पढ़ते हैं और कैसे लिखते हैं? We have already been using commas for 5-digit numbers like 45,830 in the Indian place value system. And what about Indian place value system? Is it like this? Yes. Here we have an Indian place value system starting with ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, then crores, 10 crores. Okay. This way we have a Indian place value system. Okay. And one more we have American place value system in which we have using millions and billion instead of crores and 10 lakhs. Okay. Okay. Let's move forward. Here we have. Let's again start. We have already been using commas. Yeah, isn't it? For 5-digit number like 45,830. In the Indian place value system. Okay. As number grow bigger, using commas helps in reading the number easily. We use a comma in between the digits representing the 10,000s place and 1 lakh place, as you have seen just before 1 lakh, isn't it? The number named of 1278,830 is what? Is 12 lakh, comma, 78,000, comma, 830. Similarly, the number 15 lakh 75,000 in words is 15 lakh 75,000. So, bachcho, you can say before lakhs and before thousand, we use comma. Okay. And comma helps us in reading. Okay. And writing is also easy. Okay. Let's start. Here we have a question. Write each of the number given below in words. आपके पास नंबर गिवन है और आपको इनको वर्ड्स में लिखना है. अब देखो ये क्या है, ये वाला जो प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम है कौन सा है, 1000 का, और ये कॉमा के पहले वाला वैल्यू क्या है, लैक्स का. तो यू कैन से 3 lakhs, 1000 में कुछ, लैक्स में कुछ, 1000 में कुछ नहीं है, सॉरी, एंड 600. तो यू कैन राइट 3,600,000. Similarly, here we have lakhs में हमारे पास 5 है, 4 हमारे 1000 प्लेस वैल्यू पे है, एंड वी हैव 85. तो यू कैन राइट 5,04,085. ओके. सिमिलरली यहाँ देखो लैक्स वाली पोजीशन पे वी हैव 27, 1000 वाली पोजीशन पे वी हैव 30, एंड देन वी हैव 00. तो यू कैन राइट 27,30,000. Similarly, we have 70 here at the lakhs place value and 53 at 1000, and here we have 138. So you can write 70 lakhs 53,138. Okay. Okay. Let's move forward. Okay. Here what we need to write? We need to write the number. Write the corresponding numbers in the Indian place value system for each of the following. 1,23,456. Okay, it's easy. 1,23,456. Okay, let's move forward. 4,07,704. So you can write 4 lakhs, comma, 7,000, comma, 704. Okay, then we have, अब देखो, how will you write 50 lakhs, comma, 5,000, comma, and 50. Then you can write 50 lakhs, 5,000 and 50. Okay. Similarly, here we have 10 lakhs, 235. So it means there is 0 in the thousand position. So you can write it's 10 lakhs, 235. Okay, it's easy. Let's move forward. Here we have a section 1.2 lands of tens. Okay, in the lands of tens, there are special calculator with special buttons. The thoughtful thousands only has plus thousand button. How many times should it be pressed to show? यह हमारे पास क्या है? थॉटफुल थाउजेंड्स. इसके पास फिर एक ही बटन है प्लस 1000 का. ओके, तो फिर अब जब भी आप प्लस 1000 प्रेस कर दोगे तो वो जिस भी नंबर रहेगा उसमें 1000 ऐड कर लेगा. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी कि टू गेट 3000 हमें उसको कितनी बार प्रेस करना पड़ेगा? 3 times. Similarly, to get 10,000, how many times we need to press? You can do one thing. You can do what? 10,000 can be divided by 1000. Then what you get? 10. So you can say 10 times. Okay, you can say 10 times. Similarly, we have 53,000. Let's write 53,000. Okay, and here we have 1000 button. It means you just need to cut 3 0. Then how many times? 53 times you need to press the button to get 53,000. Similarly, for 90,000 you need to cut 3. It means you get 90 times you need to press the button to get 90,000. For 1 lakh is what? 1 lakh is 100,000. And if you cut 3 dots, 30, or you can say, it means you will get 100. That means you need to press 100 times to get 1 lakh from the thoughtful thousands calculator. Okay. And if you press the button 153 times, what will you get? You will get 1,53,000. Now, how many thousands are required to make 1 lakh? Do you know? 100 of thousands required. So you can write 100 of thousands required to make 1 lakh. Okay, you can you can write like this: 100 of thousands. Okay, let's move forward. Here we have a different calculator. The tedious tens only has a plus 10 button. अभी previous वाले में thoughtful thousand के पास क्या था? plus 1000 button. और tedious 10 के पास क्या है? plus 10 button. अब तुम्हें ये बताना है how many times should it be pressed to show 500? Similar फंडा है. 500 को लिख लो और यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक जीरो है ना? तो एक जीरो इसमें से कट कर लो. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? बताओ. 50 टाइम्स. ओके, अब देखो 780 में फिर एक जीरो कट कर लोगे, या फिर आप ये कह सकते हो कि यू आर डिवाइडिंग 780 बाय 10. दैट इज द सेम थिंग. ओके, यू कट द जीरो, isn't it? So how many times? 78 times. For getting 1000, you need to press buttons 100 times. To get 3700, you need to press 10 button 370 times. To get 10,000, you need to press 1000 times, because it's only adding 10, 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10, isn't it? And for 1 lakh is what? 1 lakh is 100 of 1000, isn't it? And when you cut only one, you will get 10,000 times. Okay. Then we have 435 times. If you press 435 times plus 10 button, then you will get this only, isn't it? Okay. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, then now we have a handy 100. And it has only plus 100 buttons. How many times should it be pressed to show? 400. Same funda. You have a 400. Here we have a 2 0. It means you need to cut 2 0. Okay. How many times? Tell me now. 4 times. 3700. Cut 2 0. 37 times 10,000, cut to 0. 100 times 53. Okay, isn't it? It's an easy one. How many times you need to press to get that numbers? 53,000, right? 53,000 here. Now cut 20. How many times you get? 530 times. Okay. Then you have a 90,000. Okay, now to get 90,000, you just need cut 20. Then how many times? 900 times. To get 97,600, you need to press the 100 button 976 times. To get 1 lakh, you need to press 1000 times. And when you press 582 times, you get what? 582 into 100. It means 58,200. Isn't it so easy? Okay, let's move forward. How many hundreds are required to make 10,000? 100 of hundreds. Isn't it? 10,000 is what? 10,000 is. And how many hundred? It means you will cut hundreds, na? It's 100. 20. So you will cut 20 and then you get hundreds of 100. How many hundreds are required to make 1 lakh? 1 lakh is what? This one only? 100 of thousands. And how many hundreds? It means you need to cut 20. Then how many requires? 1,000 of hundreds. You can write 1,000 of hundreds required to make 1 lakh. Okay, here we have. Handy 100 says there are some numbers which tedious 10 and thoughtful thousands can't show. But I can. Handy 100 बोल रहा है कि कुछ नंबर है जिसको tedious 10 तो शो नहीं कर सकता और thoughtful 1000 भी नहीं, बट मैं कर सकता हूं. अब आपको ये पता लगाना है, is this statement true? Think and explore. अब याद करो कौन सा कैलकुलेटर क्या था? tedious 10 can only add plus 10 each time. Thoughtful 1000 can only add 1000 each time. और handy 100 can only add 100 each time. Okay? अब थोड़ा सोच के देखो, क्या ऐसा कोई नंबर्स है जो handy 100 कर सकता है बट tedious 10 नहीं कर सकता? No, the answer is no. क्यों? Every 100 is a multiple of 10. 2, but less than 1000 because thoughtful 1000 can only start from 1000. It means यदि आपने 900 लिया और you can say from 100 to 900 लिया तो इसको handy 100 तो कर सकता है, tedious 10 भी कर सकता है, but thoughtful 1000 नहीं कर सकता है because thoughtful 1000 can only start from 1000. Okay, do you understand? So you can write, so any number like 100, 200, 300 till 900. Thoughtful 1000 cannot show 900 because they are smaller than 1000, and tedious 10 can show this number but very slowly, है ना? थोड़ा time ज़्यादा लेगा because for 900 you need to press 90 times. Okay, is it simple? Okay, then you can write here. For example, 100, tedious 10 press plus 10 button 70 times. Possible, it's possible, but it's a very tedious task. And thoughtful 1000 cannot calculate the number less than 1000, and handy 100 can press 100 7 times and it will get 700. Okay? Okay, just for example purpose, student, let's move forward. Here we have a creative chitti, is a different kind of calculator. It has the following button: plus 1, plus 10, 100, plus 1000, plus 10,000, plus 1 lakh and plus 10 lakhs. Okay? It always has multiple ways of doing things. How so? You might ask to get the number 3 to 1 by pressing plus 10 32 times. Okay? plus 10 32 times. It means it will be 320. And plus 1 and plus 1, you will get 321. Will it get 321? Yes. Alternatively, it can press plus 100 2 times and plus 10 12 times and plus 1. It will get 321 only, isn't it? तो ये पूछता है क्या क्या और कोई वे है? Is it has a multiple way to get 321? Think about it. Yes. What it right? First step को उसने क्या किया? 320 plus 1 किया, 321 आ गया. Then उसने बोला कि इसने 2 टाइम 100 प्रेस किया, then 200. Then उसने 10 times 10 को 12 टाइम प्रेस किया, then 120 and plus 1. Again we get 321. Then is there any other way? Yes. You can press plus 100 3 times and 10 plus 10 2 times and plus 1. Okay, let's try it here this way. Isn't it easy? Yes, so you can write. There are number of ways you can write. You can get 321 using the creative chitti calculator. It's just a 5 ways I have mentioned, but it is more than 5 ways. Okay, you can take only, you can press only plus 10 button 32 times and plus 1. Similarly, you can press 2 times 100 button 12 times 10 and plus 1. 3 times 100, 2 times 10 plus 1. 1 time 100, 30 times 10 plus 1. In this way, you will get 321 only. There are number of ways. Okay, let's move forward. 2 of many different ways to get 5072 are shown below. दो तरीका given है आपको, ठीक है, to get 5072. Here we can see 1000 3 times, 100 20 times, and plus 1 72 times. And then second way is 150 times, 10 7 times, and 1 is 2 times. You will get this. Now what a question is, find a different way to get 5072 and write an expression for the same. See, here we have a different way. Here we have a different way. You can check it out. Here we have 5 times 1000, 10 times 7 and 1 2 times. Similarly, 4 times 1000, 10 times 100, 6 times 10 and 2 times. And this way you can also write the expression. First way is 5 times 1000, and in all the expression you will get 5072, 5072, 5072. Okay, it's an expression for all these table. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can mention in comment section. Let's move forward. Here we have, for each number given below, write expression for at least 2 different ways. Okay, आपको 2 different way का expression लिखना है. To obtain the number through button clicks, think like चिट्टी and be creative. अब देखो चिट्टी क्या थी? चिट्टी के पास कौन कौन सा बटन था? +1, +10, +100, +1000, +10,000. Isn't it? तो आपको वही यूज करके क्या बनाना है? 8300. 8300. ओके, एंड आपको कम से कम 2 तो बनाना ही है फॉर 2 डिफरेंट वे एटलीस्ट. ओके, तो वी कैन डू वन थिंग, हम 5 डिफरेंट वे का टेबल बनाते हैं एंड वी विल राइट द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर 2. ओके, you can write any whatever you want, anyone you want. Okay, for example, here we have, if you press 1000 8 times, 100 3 times, you get 8300. Isn't it? 8300. You can write 8300. Similarly, for second, if you need to press 1007 times and 100 button 13 times, then again you get 8300, that is 8300. It's easy. Let's see the other number. Here we have 40629. Okay, now again think like chitti and be creative. Similarly, we will have 5 ways to write 40629, and we can write expression similar fashion. 4 times 10,000, 6 times 100, 2 times 10 plus 9, it's 40629. Second expression can be for the second way, way number 2. 3 times 10,000, 10 times 1,000, 2 times 100, 1 times 10 and plus 9, that is 40629. Okay, okay. Let's move forward. Here we have a 56354, that is 56,354, isn't it? And think like Chitti and be creative. Okay, let's draw a table first. Here we have a table. Okay, it's not like it's only 5 ways. You can write your own ways. If you want, you can write. And you should think also, okay? And the expression for these two, for the way number 2 and way number 1 and 2, okay? Let's move forward. Here we have a 66,666. Then again think like Chitti and be creative. 5 ways and 2 expression, okay? If you have another way, you can write. There is nothing like, no, you need to write this only. Okay. And yes, if you have a doubt, you can mention in comment section. Let's move forward. We have a fifth number, 36,000. It's 3,67,813. Okay, just put a comma and you will get what is this number. 3,67,813. And now again, think like Chitti and be creative. Here we have a types of way and here we have a 2 expression. Okay. Okay, I hope you didn't have any type of doubt, and if you have, do mention in comment section. And I hope you're getting the way how we write the way number 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, let's move forward. Creative Chitti has some question for you. Okay, you have to make exactly 30 button presses. It's a tricky task. What is the largest 3-digit number you can make and what is the smallest 3-digit number you can make? Okay, अपने पास यही buttons है. Okay, what is the largest 3-digit number? It's 999, isn't it? We have a largest 3-digit number 999, but it's not possible to get using only 30 button presses. If you want to try, you can try. Okay. Then what we can do? Firstly, we need to make 900. Then we can press 100 buttons for 9 times. Okay, we get 900. Okay. Then if you want to try, you can try, but still, let me tell you. Then you can press 8 times 10 button. You will get 80. And then you can press 13 times 1 button. And then you will get 113. And then the total number will be 993. And it is the number which you get the largest 3-digit number using the creative Chitti. Okay, using what? With only 30 press button. And what is the smallest 3-digit number you get with 30 button presses? अब सबसे छोटा number तो है 100 है, isn't it? Smallest 3-digit number. But क्या 30 press button से 100 मिलेगा? Then what you can do? You can do one thing. You can press 8 times 10 button. You will get how much? You will get 80. And then you can press 22 times 1 and you will get 22. And the smallest one you will get 102 number. The smallest 3-digit number with 30 press. This is the presses. 30 press. 30 or you can say 30 clicks. Okay, I hope you get my point. It means the largest 3-digit number you can create using creative Chitti with 30 press, or you can say with 30 presses is what? Is 993, and the smallest 3-digit number with 30 presses is 102. Let's move forward. Here we have 997 can be made using 25 clicks. Can you make 997 with a different number of clicks? Yes. But with 25 clicks, you get 997. See, here we have a number of clicks, 9 clicks, 9 clicks and 7. That is 25 and you get 997. Isn't it? The sum will be 997. It means yes, using 25 clicks, we get 997. And with number of clicks, yes, we have different number of click to get 997. Okay, you can get using 34 click, you can get using 106 click. Isn't it easy? Yes, let's move forward. Okay, we have a systematic SIPP. It is a different kind of calculator. It has the following button. जैसे कि हमारे क्रिएटिव चिट्ठी है +1 +10 +100 +1000 +10,000 +1 lakhs. It wants to be used as minimally as possible. And systematic सिप्पी का क्या पर्पस होता है कि इसको कितना कम से कम प्रेस किया जाए. Okay, okay, let's move forward. How can we get the number 5072 and 8300, that is 8300, using a few button clicks as possible? Okay, अब find out which button should be clicked and how many times to get the desired number given below. अब हमारा ये पर्पस है कि सबसे मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ क्लिक्स में हमें 5072 मिल जाए यूजिंग क्रिएटिव चिट्ठी. अब देखो, वन वे इज टू गेट 5072 यूजिंग 23 बटन्स. ये है ना 23 क्लिक्स. 5 plus 6 11 plus 12 is 23, isn't it? Using 23 clicks, you have a 23 press button. Is there any other way to get 5072 using less than 23 buttons? Yes, we do have. You can write here. The number is 5072 and we have 23 buttons. You can reduce the number here. We have a 10 times plus 1. You can shift this 1 to 10th position and then you will get this way 5072. 572. It means 14 clicks only. And the expression is 5 into 1000, 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1 is 5072. It means we get 5072 in 14 clicks only. And it is way less than 23 button clicks. Okay, let's move forward. Here we have 8300. Now how we get 8300? By using 8 times 1000 button and by pressing 3 times 100. An expression will be this way only and it is used only 11 clicks. Okay, it is the minimum way possible. We can get 8300 using minimum button clicks. Okay. For the number in the previous exercise, find out how to get each number by making the smallest number of button clicks and write the expression. अभी just हमने किया, just सबसे smallest हमने किया. इसका एक ही तरीका है. 5000 को 1000 बटन से अचीव करो, 10th प्लेस वाले नंबर्स को 10th प्लेस से अचीव करो and here we have 7 and 1st प्लेस वाले नंबर को once या फिर +1 वाले बटन से अचीव करो. Then you will get a minimum number of clicks. Okay, like 83,300, 8 times 1000 and 3 times 100. Is it easy? It's simple. Here we have, do you see any connection between each number and the corresponding smallest number of button clicks? Yes. अभी just हमने डिस्कस किया कि 1000 प्लेस को 1000 वाले बटन से प्रेस करो, 100 प्लेस को 100 बटन से, 10th प्लेस के लिए 10th बटन and 1st प्लेस के लिए 1 बटन. And that tends to what? Fewer clicks, larger buttons. That's why we pick the biggest unit first and then the smallest one. Okay. If you want to write in expression like you need to explain, you can write we are breaking the number into parts according to the place value and matching the biggest button available for that place. We are doing that only. Okay. If you notice the expression for the least button click, also give the Indian place value notation of the number. Think about why this is so. हमने already discuss कर लिया, but you can write like 1000 is 1000. It's the Indian place value system. For example, 5072, you can direct mention 5072. You can write 5072. Okay, it's so simple. So It matches exactly how we say that understand the number in Indian place value system. Okay, let's move forward. What if we press 10 lakhs button 10 times? Plus 10 lakh button kitna times? 10 times. What number will come up? How many zero will it have? What should we call it? The number will be 100 of lakhs, which is also called crore. 1 crore is written as this. It is 1 followed by 7 zero. Yes. 10 lakhs into 10, I mean 10 lakhs wale button 10 times will create 1 crores. It's a thousand place value system. It's a lakh and it's a 1 crores. You can say in India 100 lakhs is called 1 crore. So the number is called 1 crore and it is followed by 70. Okay? Yes. Let's move forward. Of crores and crores. Okay, the table below shows some number according to both Indian place value system and American place value system, or we can say international system. Here we have a naming numerals and placing comma, observing the placement of comma in both systems. 1000, you can see 10,000, 1 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 10 crore, and then we have 1 Arab or 100 crore. Similarly, we have for 10 lakhs, we have 1 million. Okay. Then we have 10 millions, then we have 100 millions, and after 100 millions, we have 1 billion. Simple. देखो 1000, 10,000, 100,000s. Then we have 1 million, 10 millions, 100 millions, and 1 billion. It's a American place value system. Okay. Let's move forward. Notice that in the Indian system, commas are placed to the group digit 3222 pattern from the right to left, 1000, lakhs, crores. In the American system, the digits are grouped uniformly 333. Yes, it means we have 100, 10,000 and 100. We have a place value like 333. Okay, it's a 1000, 10,000, 100 of 1000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 of million, and at the last billion. Similarly, 10 billion and 100 billion. Okay. So in Indian place value system, we have 3,000. Then we have a 1,000 place value system. Then we have a crore lakh system. Then we have crore system. 1 crore and 10 crore. 1,000, 10,000. 1 lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Okay, let's move forward. This way, we move forward. The Indian system of naming numbers is also followed in Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Afghanistan, and Myanmar. The word lakh and crores originate from the Sanskrit words laksha and koti. The American system is also used in many countries. Observe the number of zeros in 1 lakh and 1 crore. 1 lakh written in number would be 1 followed by 50. Okay. Followed by 50. It means it is the lakh is okay. And 1 crore written in number would be followed by 70. 70 it means it's a 1 crores. Okay. In lakhs we have 5 zeros. In crores we have 7 zeros. A lakh is 100 times 1,000. A crore is 100 times a lakh. It's easy? Yes. Lakh is 100 times. It's a lakh. So you can say 100 times of lakhs and a crore is 100 times of lakh and Arab is 100 times of crores. Isn't it? It's a simple. So you can write hundreds, 1,000 is 1 lakh, 100 lakhs is 1 crore and 100 crore is 1 Arab. Okay. Okay, let's move forward. How many zeros does 1,000 lakh have? अब देखो 1,000 और lakh. तो फिर पहले तो आप lakh लिख लो और फिर 1,000 ऐड कर लो. Isn't it? तो you can write here 1 lakh is having 50 and then you need to find 1,000 lakhs. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can write it has 8 zeros. Okay? Okay. How many zeros does 100,000 have? Then first write 1,000. 1,000 have 100,000 is like 100 of thousands. Then it has 50. Okay. Okay, let's move forward. The number 9876501234 can be easily read by placing commas first. It's an easy task, isn't it? Start with last digit. 3 पे फिर 0, फिर 2 पे 0. Then you can easily read. This one is like thousand, this one is lakhs, this one is crores, and this one is Arabs. Then you can read, or you can write 9 Arab 87 crore 65 lakhs 1234. Or you can write 987 crore 65 lakh 1234. In Indian system. In American system, you need to segregate like 333. है ना? So we put comma 333. Then you can read its initials number same, thousands, millions and billion. Then you can write 9 billion 876 million 501,234 in American place value system. Okay, let's move forward. Read the following numbers in Indian place value notation and write their number names in both the Indian and American system. तो सेम फंडा है, यदि इंडियन का करना है तो 322 का कॉमा लगा लो, और यदि अमेरिकन सिस्टम का पढ़ना है तो यू कैन राइट 405067 and you can put comma like 3 after 3 you can section it and the 3 numbers. Okay, in Indian system you can write 40,50,678. For American system you can write 4,050,678. Okay, similarly we have a second number. You can put comma for Indian system. Okay, and for American system you can write the number 481,216,20 and put comma after 3 numbers. And now you can write for Indian and American. It's a easy work. Then we have a third number. Similarly, you can write in Indian and American place value system. Okay, write their number names. We have fourth one, write their number names in Indian and American system. The funda is same. Just put a comma. Just put a comma. Comma will segregate and will help to write the number. Okay. Similarly, we have a fifth number. Just put a comma and you can easily read and write the number. Okay. Then we have a last number. You can write 1 Arab, 2 crores, 3 lakhs, 4,050. Similarly, we have 1 billion, 20 millions, 340,000. 50. Okay. Wow, कितना खूबसूरत number है, isn't it? Yes. चलो, move forward. Write the following numbers in Indian place value notation. The same funda. Indian place value. It means 3, 2 numbers, 2. Isn't it easy? Yes. You can write 1 crores, 1 lakh, 1,010. 1 billion, 1 million. Oh, it's a. Then you can easily firstly understand 1 millions is what? 100 of crores. Okay. 1 million is 100 of crore and 1 billion is 100 of crores and 1 million is 10 lakhs. Now you can easily write it's a 1 billion 1 million 1001. Okay. It's a 10 crore 20 lakhs. It's an easy work. 10 crore 20 lakhs 30,000 40. 9 billion, it means 900 crore. 80 millions, it means 800 lakhs. You can convert that. Then 700,600. So you can firstly convert these numbers. 900 crores, 80 million is 8 crores. So it becomes 9 Arab, 8 crores, 70 lakhs, 600. Okay. Okay. Now you need to compare and write smaller than or greater than or equal to. then the easy task is to make the unit common. If you need to compare 30,000 and 3 lakhs, just convert their unit in same terms like 30,000 or 3 lakhs. Now you can see here we have a 40 and here we have a 50. It means this one is greater. Then you can simply put 3 lakh will be greater than 30,000. It's easy. Okay. If you when you have a 500 lakhs and 5 million, make the unit common. 500 lakhs is 50 millions and 5 millions. अब कौन सा बड़ा हो गया? 50 million, obvious, isn't it? Make the unit common, then you can easily write. Okay. Okay. 80,000 and 8 million. Again, make the unit common. See, it's a 0. Separate the 1000. Then here we have a 800 and here we have a 8,000. It means this one will be bigger. 640 crore or 60 billion. Just convert the unit. The basic funda is convert the unit and you can get which number is greater and which is smaller. Okay, that's enough for today's video. Bachcho, we will cover the next section in our next part. Thank you everyone. Please do subscribe the channel so that you will be updated whenever I will upload the video. Thank you. Do subscribe and do like the channel.